Now, I want to share with you a quick moment of my story. Some of you might know it, and some of you might not. Before I did the Your Wellness Journey, I had all of those symptoms. A lot of them you may have. My hair was thinning, my eyes were itchy, I was having weird rashes, my throat felt enlarged. Maybe it was my thyroid. I was getting heartburn, reflux, irritable bowel, constipation, diarrhea. I was waking up exhausted no matter how much I slept and how many naps I took and how much coffee. I was still exhausted. My pain was through the roof. For me, it was joints, muscles, and nerve pain. That medicines would not control it no matter what. I was starting to get sad over the whole situation because before that, I had a very active lifestyle. And then I was gaining weight, even though I was eating right and exercising. And that was raising my sugars, my blood pressure, my cholesterol. Doctors wanted to stick me on more and more and more meds for every problem. And the meds led to side effects, which led to more medications, right? You take an anti-inflammatory, it gives you an ulcer, then you need another medicine. And it was an endless amount of meds. And I just wanted to get to the root cause. And the doctors were never trained on how to get to the root cause. They're trained on diagnosis, medication, diagnosis, medication. And a lot of people, when you go to the doctors, they're not going to tell you these things. I want to show you, here I am back to my old self. I'm out at the beach. I'm swimming endlessly, like all day long. I'm horseback riding. I think that was in Texas, I'm not sure. And I'm doing the things that bring me great joy. A lot of times with autoimmune, we're in too much pain, we're too exhausted, we're too sad to do the things that bring us great joy. So how many of you guys know of people that are suffering who would like to have that active lifestyle again?